Sloan's auction.
Cool.
Thanks.
Henry, you want to touch another puppy?
Henry, pick up a puppy for the camera.
You want to pick up a puppy, Henry? Here, let me help
Maybe
you.
you should put one in his hands. Oops.
Reed, you gotta be really careful, honey. Can you want to pick one up, Henry?
Here, hold on so you can see it. Show the camera. Show the puppy to the camera.
You want to take your sweater off first, Henry?
You hot, sweetie? No, okay. You want to hold a puppy?
Maybe put it on your lap and then he'll pet it.
You want to sit where I'm sitting?
That's
Why don't you sit
why
where
don't
I'm
you sit
sitting?
down? That's a good idea.
Sit right here.
No, he doesn't. He doesn't
There you
notice.
go. There you go. Henry, look at Mom. Look at Mom. What's Mom doing? Smile at Mom. What's the puppy doing? Come here.
Oh, God, Jennifer, you just... Can you pick up a puppy, Henry? Give the puppy a little love. Needs some love and needs a
You let
hug.
Henry play with the puppies, huh?
Puppy? Give the puppy a little hug.
I like puppy.
You like a puppy? You can play with these puppies. They want to know you, Henry.
What, Reed? You should have seen it was a surprise to her when they came out that day. Puppies? Yes, puppies.
We are at Jennifer and Jonathan's house. Today is February 29th, 1988. We're playing with Aretha's puppies. That is a nice puppy, isn't it?
Yeah.
You love that puppy?
Yes, it's a nice puppy.
Hi, sweetie.
You all just like
You like this?
Reed, you gotta sit up. Honey, you gotta sit up more so they can get to you. Okay? Come here. Sit up more. There you go. Okay, here's one for you. There you go. There you go. Yes, Henry, you like... Oh, look, sleeping in that. Yeah.
Done all the work here.
Well, put the puppy, where should we put the puppy in? We'll put the puppy right in here. There we go. Isn't that neat, Henry? Well, that one's kind of busy right now, I think. Yeah,
Those puppies are sleeping?
That's nice. He wakes up.
Gently, Sasha, gently.